Hi everyone, my name is Robert, a common guy with lots of aspirations. I have always wanted to live a luxurious life and dreamed of making money online by having a successful business. To achieve it, I put in tons of effort and tested numerous marketing strategy techniques, but what I got was complete struggle and failure. Now, you've got to be curious to dive into my story, right? Well, every marketer desires to make more money in less time, and I was one of them. As mentioned in countless books, every accomplishment starts with the desire to succeed. So I tried, and I tried, and I tried, but never thought of giving up. One day, I learned about some jaw-dropping secrets on how to make cool passive income online. Yeah, I am talking about building a huge and responsive list, and I found that the top internet marketers are creating money-yielding, responsive mailing lists and opening floodgates of traffic with this. Actually, it doesn't stop here. They are taking full advantage by creating a huge email list in a systematic and easy manner, interacting with their audience by using their finest written content, tracking the performance of every marketing message sent, testing new strategies and finding out their true value, promoting their products to needy customers and boosting profits with less efforts. Yes, folks, this is all for real. Now, do you want to know why they keep banging on building a mailing list to make profits? Well, let me share some fascinating eye-openers with you. Email marketing is used by 82% of B2B and B2C companies. 89% of marketers rate email as their primary channel for lead generation. 75% of Gmail's 900 million users access their accounts on mobile devices. For every $1 spent on email marketing, the average return on investment is $44.25. Emails with social sharing buttons increase click-through rates by 158%. Nearly 85% of people using the web use email, and 20% of marketers directly link their email operations to their company's primary revenue source. Well, guys, don't get confused. This is the result of great research. By using list-building methods, marketers have made profits above and beyond your imagination levels. They are boosting their profits day in and day out. Feeling tempted? Most probably your answer is yes. But you don't know how to build a profitable list, right? Don't worry, buddy. I am here to remove all your worries. Presenting the one and only List Building 2.0 Training Guide, an info-packed training guide that is compiled with precision and enriched with time-tested methods. This guide will make your list-building journey a cakewalk. And what's even better? You get this complete, step-by-step, info-packed training guide at pennies of its cost. Don't waste your time thinking about it. Build your list at lightning speed and generate cool passive monthly income online. Act now while your competitors are still in the dark. Buy this up-to-date List Building 2.0 training guide and take your business to new heights. Invest in your dreams and watch money get stuffed into your bank accounts every single day. Oh, one last thing. This guide was created mainly for the purpose of knowledge sharing. Hence, it's available at a very low price. Learning is not enough to become successful. Make sure you implement that knowledge as well. Stop thinking now and hurry up before your competitors snatch your customers away forever.